Bon dia po. Today is May 6, no? Hoy is 6 de Mayo, 24, 20 y 24 de la mañana, hora de madrugada. I asked somebody about the knowledge about the Pythagorean theorem. I do not want to forget these lessons because this is very important, especially those ones who are interested in a nautical course or navigation. This is used for calculating distances. So here we had a right triangle. The opposite side, I name it A. The adjacent side, I name it B. The hypotenuse, I name it C. So I put here the uses of this formula, and this one is to calculate distances and for fabrication, because you can calculate the distance of the hypotenuse using this formula. C is equal to the square root of A squared plus B squared. So we had to use this one, and if I had time, I will make some sample problems. I have some problems too here, but I think this is sufficient enough, no, for those who have a good background in mathematics. And for me, the use of this is to not to forget this lesson and to share this to others, to the youth, no? So the logo, and see you later, and hasta luego.